This demo will run you through the simple steps required to install XSBS on your PC or laptop. Please make sure you check the prerequisites to installation detailed on our Getting Started page. Whether you downloaded the XSBS installation package from our 30-day free trial page or was sent a download link following a license acquisition, you'll have to launch the installation package, which is an xsbs.exe file. You should normally be able to execute this file even without administrator rights on your PC or laptop. However, depending on your local security configuration, you may require the support of your IT department to install the package. Once you launch the installation package, a welcome pop-up window opens with a prompt. Choose the I got a license option if you already received your license key. Leave it as is and click on Next if you just subscribed to the 30-day trial. Fill out your SAP username, select your primary SAP system, and provide your email address where to receive your key. This email needs to match the one you provided at the registration stage. If you have your license key, you will only be prompted for the key and XSBS will immediately start. Click Next again. A notification will confirm a validation code was sent to your email address. Click OK. Check your emails and open the XSBS trial email. Copy the code without the blanks and paste it into the pop-up window. Then click Start. XSBS Core will then open and prompt you for your SAP user, and the first thing you'll need to do before you open a next SAP is to check your SAP connections have been imported correctly from the SAP GUI. You can do this in the Tools and Settings Configuration Connection section. You can access the details of your SAP connections by clicking on the pencil while your connection is selected in the list. In my case, I need to modify the client number as we set up our SAP demo systems on different clients. In most cases, you won't need to modify these parameters. When you're done, click Save and check your connection by clicking on the connection icon. You will be prompted with your SAP username and asked for your SAP password. XSBS Core will then confirm that your SAP connection is set up correctly in XSBS. You can do this check for all the SAP systems you will need to use with XSBS. You can also check the local settings and preferences and adapt them should you need it. And that's it. You are now ready to use our XApps. Simply go to the tabs where they are stored and launch the XApp you would like to try. Remember that you have a short step-by-step user guide available for each XApp when you extend the tile. We hope you'll enjoy using XSBS, and please check the videos of our off-the-shelf XApps.